Alright, today we're working in a shed in Sandringham and we're going to install a couple of power points on this wall behind the workbench here, and then a nice LED batten above. Put up a bit of timber to mount the light to, so the client will have plenty of power at their workbench and a nice light above. We're going to use these 4-gang power points and then extra switch in the middle to control the light. Let's go. Alright, so there you have it. We've got our 2 4-gang power points and our light above the workbench, so the client can have a beautiful space to work.